How to access Duolingo Maths on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to access Duolingo Math on Android. So let's dive in. First, make sure you're on your Android device. Scroll down to the description of this video. In the description you'll find a link, so tap on the link to be directed to a specific website. After tapping the link, you'll be taken to a website where you can access Duolingo Maths. And since this is a new feature, it may be in beta or not available yet. Once you're on the website, log into your Duolingo account and tap on the 3-bar icon at the top right corner, then select Sign In. Enter your Duolingo username or email address and your password, and after that log into your account. After logging in, if Duolingo Maths becomes available, it will automatically be added to your account, so keep an eye out for this feature in your Duolingo app. And that's it. This is how you can access Duolingo Maths on Android. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.